The weekly code quiz. So now that we know why accessibility is important, the size of the population involved, and what technologies we need to support, let's start discussing what it means to make the web accessible. How can we make the web accessible? In order to make the web accessible, we follow 4 underlying principles known as the P.O.U.R principles. What does P.O.U.R stand for? P.O.U.R stands for perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust. What does perceivable mean? Making the web perceivable means making it easier for users to hear and see your content. So examples of this are alternative text, closed captioning for media content. We want to present our content to our users in multiple ways so that it is accessible to the various assistive technologies we reviewed. And we want to do this without losing meaning. What does operable mean? Making the web operable helps users to find and navigate through the content. This means content should be entirely accessible when using a keyboard alone. The content should be available on screen long enough for all users to read and act on that content. And we want to make sure that our content is presented in a way such that it does not induce seizures. So for example, we don't want to have rapidly flashing content on the screen. What does understandable mean? Making the web understandable means the text should be readable and understandable. It should be presented in a way that is predictable to operate. We should make sure there are no mistakes. What does robust mean? Making the web robust means that it is compatible with current and future technologies. When we improve the clarity of our content, it makes it available to not only those who require it to be accessible, but to everyone. Presented by Designers Learn Code.